everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have 7 toys here. All are serially arranged. Wow, all are nice and beautiful. And now I will hand drive all of these toys one by one with my hand. At first is a V2 racing car, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this V2 racing car. This one is pink, green and black color combination. And next one is a 3D DS Tarzan car here. Wow, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this DS car. This one is black, blue and pink color combination. Wow friends, see, here is a flying horse. So I will hand drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this flying horse. This one is yellow and red color combination. Now I will hand drive this emergency vehicle ambulance. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this ambulance. This one is white and yellow color combination. Wow friends, you can see there is a fire truck here. So I will hand drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this fire truck. This one is black, white and yellow color combination. There is a 911 police helicopter here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this 911 police helicopter. This one is blue, black and white color combination. There is a last one is very big size power tractor here, so I will hand drive this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this tractor. This one is black, yellow and pink color combination. So friends, all of my vehicles are hand drive and serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So friend, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.